loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today's video is a collaboration along with my sister from another Mr. Mandy over at Laugh Love Shop. Now what we are showing you guys is our front porch updates, and mine is quite a mess. As you can see, I have nothing on my porch here, and don't mind the tape and stuff on the post. I'm just concealing our address just to be safe. But Mandy has already posted one update on her channel, and today will be her second one, so I will list her channel along with both of those videos down in my description, so you can go over and check out what she has done to her front area. But I decided I really wanted my porch to look better and to be pretty, so I took everything off, which was only our glider and one little table and then a wall hanging that was empty, and I had Chad power wash the porch, which still needs to be like stained. I think we're going to stain it eventually, and I'm just going to keep adding things until I think it's done here. I also had him bring out my beautiful rug that I had from Aldi's, and so we're going to start with that first. Okay, love, so here is my rug that I picked up from Aldi's about 3 years ago. I absolutely love the bold print that's on it, and the background color is navy blue, so it goes really well with our blue house. On top of that, we have a extra large welcome mat, and I love the intricate pattern around it. I keep this out all year round, and it is weathered really well here in Michigan. And then next to my front door on the wall, I have my wall hanging pot that has some hot pink impatiens and some Vinkavine in it. And then on the porch down, I have this beautiful large pot that used to be my grandmother's. She passed away not too long ago at 100, and so I keep it there to remind me of her. I have some geraniums and some petunias in it. And speaking of petunias, I have this large hanging basket that came from Kroger's hanging over my glider, and it has these gorgeous speckled purple and white petunias in it. And here is our glider. Our glider is wrought iron. It is black. It came like this. I got it on clearance many years ago, and I liked to decorate it for every season. So this season I have my bicycle pillow, a hot pink throw, and this cushion that came from At Home Stores. Now the cushion is a little busy going along with the rug. I want to replace it with one that is a solid color, but I haven't been able to get out and get one yet. It also has a small table over to the right of it. And then here to the left, I have this galvanized bucket that it contains some Gerber daisies that says Farmers Market on the front. That was a gift for Mother's Day from my daughter and my grandchildren. And right below, as you see, here is one of the DIYs I did on my channel. It is a chicken wire tote bag made with some Dollar Tree nautical rope. And making his very first appearance, along with some succulents that I still need to plant, is Francis, our pink flamingo. He is always out in our front yard somewhere. Then on my front door, I have this wonderful welcome home sign that keeps with the little bicycle theme that I got from Big Lots last year on clearance, but they still have it this year. So here is what my porch looks like when you are driving up to my house. We live at the end of a cul-de-sac, and so this will be the view when you see my house. And I think it is so much more inviting now that I decorated it just a little. I think the colors pop right off of the blue, and I have a lot of other greenery and stuff around, so I will be doing another update if you guys want to see that. That big wood disc there is from one of the trees that we had cut down when it almost fell on our house in the winter season that just passed. If you guys weren't aware, I posted it over on Instagram. I will be doing something with that and the whiskey barrel that is sitting in for a DIY that's coming up shortly. So make sure you are subscribed if you want to see what I do with that. So I want to thank Mandy so very much for including me in this collaboration. Make sure you guys don't forget to go over to her channel and check out what she did on her update video. Like I said before, she has 2 videos that you can check out, and I will have them linked in my description down below. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, you know what I'm going to say. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.